like if they're rich. Everyone should say follow your passion. That's how buildings got made. That's why airplanes were invented. That's why you can watch fucking television, because someone followed their passion. What happens when you read Lord of the Rings? You're reading someone's passion. You're wearing clothes. You're wearing passion. You're listening to music. You're listening to passion.
I ain't very tall, I barely stand 6 feet, but you won't ever see me fall until I'm buried 6 deep. And I ain't ever not raw when I spit a 16, and I don't ever want a war, spread love and live free. SD on the scene, just a kid with a dream, with the ambitions and visions of seeing places he ain't been.
Before I get this video started, I just want to say a massive thank you to a few people. First of all, I want to say a massive thank you to Alan Rackstraw. You guys probably know him from past videos. He gave myself and also Parker new BMXs. He's just a super generous dude. In this video, what he did for us was he got us a bobcat and an excavator out here at Strath to help rebuild the trails that were destroyed. Super generous. He organised it all, got it all out here for us. He doesn't do this for a thank you or anything, but such great support to the trails. So yeah, massive thank you to Alan, and also want to say thank you to Ned Bailey. He was on the machines all day moving dirt for us. Massive shout out to him, and also all the other boys that came out and helped dig. So just massive thank you to everyone that came out and helped, and yeah, especially Rackers. Also Rackers bought us all lunch, shouted us all lunch for that day. Massive shout out to Eagle Hawk Machine Hire. When Alan went to pick up the dingo, or organised to get the dingo out here, they said, what's it for? And he explained it was to come out to Strath and help rebuild the place, and they said we could have it for the day for nothing. So we'll start the time lapses now of what we built, and hopefully you enjoy this video.
Homage got the vibe, got the vibe, got the vibe.
We're about to test them. The jump's pretty gnarly. I'm standing in the middle of it now. It's probably about
the size of your
It's pretty big, and the first one's not actually hard yet, so it's gonna be scary. I'm not sure if we'll clear it, but we'll give it a go. We'll see what happens.
Oh no, it doesn't count.
Yo, man.
What do you reckon, bro?
Oh, I just think it's still a bit too soft, Styles.
I think it's it, and it's because it's soft.
This guy just can't be strong this one, honestly.
Dude,
I reckon we keep sending
it. Look how soft it is. PSI. I'm almost at 40. Alright, how much PSI will it take to clear it? 100. Should I go? I'll go 80.
You okay, buddy? Buddy, you okay?
I just don't think the gap's the right size.
I think it needs to be bigger. Oh, wow. It's so easily clearable, though.
Dude, there wasn't even any commitment there.
Why don't you just do it properly?
If you gave me a BMX like that, and I'd be, I reckon I could go from that lip to that roller.
So what happened? Today. Nah. You almost died, dude.
Then he goes for a snake. Why'd you go for the ET?
I don't know, I just had in mind pedal.
He went up the lip and just started pedaling.
I was telling myself to pedal, I don't know what.
Oh, he got it!
This guy done it to me again.
Yeah, so we've had a couple tests then. We're not sure if the landing before it and the lip are a bit too soft, but at this stage it's looking like the jump is just a slight bit too big. So what we might do is just build off the back of that landing and pull in the landing a little bit, just so it's a bit easier to clear, because at the moment